Hello student, I am Nitish Ashok Bhange, lecturer in Civil Engineering, Government Polytechnic Brahmapuri. Today we will discuss the organization structure of PWD and functions of their persons. Procedure of execution of work by PWD. This is the chapter name. The learning outcome of this video lecture is the student can explain the organization setup of public work department. They can state the function of various officers in PWD. Now, we will see the organization setup of PWD. This includes government, secretary to PWD, chief engineer, superintending engineer, executive engineer, assistant executive engineer, subdivisional engineer, subdivisional officer, junior engineer. Okay. The government means the ministry level. Under that, secretary who is responsible for the government. Under that, chief engineer to technical, chief engineer to junior engineer. This is the technical officers work for the PWD. Functions of PWD persons. First, function of chief engineer. He is a technical head of the department. He submit the budget proposal to the government in all the regions, means he collect the budget requirement for all the regions from superintending engineer and submit it to the government. All the original and maintenance work under his jurisdiction he will and exercise the control over the expenditure. He is the boss of the technical boss of the public work department. Functions of superintending engineer. He is responsible to the chief engineer in respect of his circle. The superintending engineer works in circle offices. The various duties of superintending engineer includes administrative and technical control of the circle. Second, exercise financial control over the execution of original and repair works. Functions of executive engineer. The executive engineer is responsible to the superintending engineer for administrative and technical control of his division. The executive engineer is the head of the division and his duties are to see that no work is taken in hand without administrative approval and allotment of the fund and technical sanction. For any work, there is a formal acceptance of the work, formal approval of the work from the government, that is called administrative approval, and the fund is sanctioned to that work is called budget. Okay, and the technical after studying technical drawings, the estimates, the technical sanction is given to the work. Second duty of executive engineer to exercise the effective supervision of work under his division. The function of assistant engineer, subdivisional engineer, assistant executive engineer or subdivisional officer. He is responsible to executive engineer for management and execution of work in his subdivision. He is the boss of the subdivision and his duties are arrange the stock, execution, progress and completion of work, check progress of work, maintain construction accounts, submit the accounts to the divisional office. Functions of junior engineer. Junior engineer work in subdivision office and sometimes in section office. In irrigation, junior engineer works in section office. The duties of junior engineer are: number 1, supervision of all work executed through contract or department. Some works are executed by the contractor, that is called contract, and some works are executed by departmental labors. Second, maintain the attendance of departmental worker. The attendance in the form of NMR is maintained and submitted to the division office for payment and approval. Third, takes the measurement of all the work in measurement book. He record the measurement of actual work done in measurement book. Fourth, the direct control in respect of specification and progress of work. He is responsible for the actual work done at the site. I hope student can understand, student learn the organization setup and the functions of various persons in PWD. Thank you.